hi everyone! Trabaho alert na naman po tayo. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you again another companies or website na nag-offer ng mga work from home job opportunities whether wala ka pang experience or beginner ka pa lang. Yes, perfect na perfect yung video na to kasi no VA requirement required dito. Pwede kang makapag-apply. You heard it right? Very competitive yung salary na ino-offer nila. This is 100% work from home setup. Very fast yung placement nila. And very competitive din yung salary na ino-offer nila. And even your undergraduate, welcome na welcome ka dito mag-apply as long as you have 6 months BPO or administrative experience. Okay? So if you want to know more of these companies or website, stay tuned until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss na information. Alright, let's get started!
So guys, don't forget to hit that like button and also syempre subscribe and share it to your friends or family na nangangailangan ng video na to.
First in our list is Virtudesk, a leading provider of remote job opportunities for virtual assistant in Philippines since 2016. So they specialize in offering permanent work from home position to millions of Filipinos aspiring to launch their careers in a virtual assistant industry. So si Virtudesk cater to various industry including real estate, tracking and logistic, construction, property management, law, accounting, and more. So they're dedicated to versatility has helped them to become one of the fastest growing virtual assistant company globally. So their mission is to empower individuals to pursue fulfilling careers while enjoying a healthy work-life balance. So ano yung mga position na available dito kay Virtudesk? So the first one is they have General Virtual Assistant or GVA. So yung rate dito is $3 per hour. So nag-o-offer sila dito ng 5-day training with allowance of $70 for that 1-week training. So yung requirement nila, simple lang, at least 6 months of BPO or admin experience. So yung magiging task mo dito as a general virtual assistant is data entry, admin task, email management, social media management, blog writing and marketing collaterals, and database management. And next, they have also Inside Sales Associate or ISA. So yung rate dito is $4 per hour naman. Meron din silang 5-day training with allowance of $80. So yung same requirements, at least 6 months BPO experience. So yung mga task mo dito as an inside sales associate is outbound call, cold calling, appointment setting, lead generation and nurturing, CRM management, concierge services, and database management. And lastly, they have Executive Virtual Assistant or EVA. So yung rate mo dito is $5 per hour. Meron ditong 10 days training with $90 allowance. So same requirement, at least 6 months BPO experience. So yung magiging task mo dito as a virtual assistant is appointment setting plus outbound calling. Meron din silang admin task, email management, social media management, blog writing and marketing collaterals, and database management. Okay, now let's go to system requirements. So ano yung mga requirement nila dito? So kung Windows yung laptop or computer mo, dapat you have dalawang fully functioning 64-bit desktop or laptop. Dalawa kasi they require backup. So it should be Windows 10 and then Intel Core i3 9th gen or higher. Dapat you have 8 GB RAM or more for multitasking requirements. Dapat headset with noise cancellation feature, internet service at least 10 Mbps and up. And then, dapat meron din kang internet service, which is backup, at least 10 Mbps or more. Dapat also you have workstation with free from any noise and distraction, and backup for power outage. So dapat meron kang generator or UPS or alternative location if ever man mawalan kayo ng kuryente. And syempre webcam with full HD video capture. For Mac naman, so dapat same, you have two fully functioning 64-bit desktop or laptop. So yung isa is for backup. So Mac OS, Catalina, and newer. Yan yung requirement nila. Intel or Silicon chip. And then 8 GM RAM or more for multitasking requirements. Dapat may headset ka din with noise cancellation feature, internet service at least 10 Mbps and up, and then backup internet service of 10 Mbps or more. You have also dedicated workstation, free from any noise and distraction, and backup for power outage. Dapat may generator or UPS or alternative location. And then webcam with full HD video capture. So, paano ka makakapag-apply dito? So, tatlong step lang yung application process nila. The first one is you have to submit your application through their web portal. And then after that, once na na-review na nila yung application mo, initial interview nga. And then online test and system check sa mga devices. And after that is final interview and release of result. So for salary, yung salary nila dito nag-range from $3 to $5 per hour depending on the position na gusto nyong applyan. Next, let's talk about Rapid Assist, a game changer for anyone interested in becoming a virtual assistant. Nag-specialize sila in connecting top-notch virtual assistant with businesses across United States. Nag-o-offer sila ng mga position in various industries like real estate, e-commerce, solar, and more. Ano yung mga available position na meron dito? They have general and admin VA. So this includes general virtual assistant, executive assistant, bookkeeping assistant, and content moderators. They also have marketing roles. So this includes social media and video editing assistant, cold calling assistant, SMS marketing, and lead generator. In addition to that, they also have industry-specific roles. So this includes real estate and e-commerce. And lastly, they have sales and outreach. Then, na mga position, this includes acquisition, lead manager, cold caller, and SMS texters. So ano yung mga requirements dito para makapag-apply ka sa Rapid Assist? First one is you have your own laptop or computer. Next is you should have stable internet connection, fluent in English, and no work experience needed for some roles or positions. So pwedeng-pwede to sa mga wala pang experience. Pwede kayong maghanap dito ng mga positions na walang experience needed. Next is, ano yung mga benefits na makukuha niyo dito kay Rapid Assist? The first one, they have competitive weekly pay. They also provide paid trainings. So, habang nagtitrain ka, binabayaran ka na din nila. So, perfect to sa mga newbies out there. Fast job replacement. They also have referral bonuses and great company culture. So, ano yung hiring process dito? Paano ka makakapag-apply? So, the first one is you have to go to their website. You have to fill out their application form. Make sure that you submit all the requirements to be considered. And once you submit all the applications, their team will assist your application to ensure that you are a good fit. Once nakita nila na okay ka, then you will receive an email notification for the next steps. So, once you're shortlisted, they will arrange an interview with you. So, this will cover requirements for the role to ensure the position is a good fit. And once nakapasa ka doon, magpo-proceed ka na sa next step, which is training. So if you're selected as a candidate for training, they will provide you with all the date of the training kung kailan yun mag-umpisa along with the course materials that you will be needing for the training. So, kahit nasa training ka pa lang, babayaran ka na nila. O, di ba? Perfect. And lastly will be the placement process. So, after you're successful completing the training, you will be placed with a client. So, once na-match ka na with this client, placement is subject to client approval. So, once na-place ka na, ongoing pa rin yung training mo and support will be provided continuously. The salary rate here nag-range siya from $4 to $10 per hour depending on the position or roles na applyan mo. And there you have it, guys, two amazing companies or website na nag-offer ng mga work from home job opportunities, whether wala ka pang experience or beginner ka pa lang. So ano, diba? Perfect na perfect ito. Mag-apply ka na. Sana talaga makatulong yung video na to para mahanap mo yung perfect na job na gusto nyong applyan. Thank you so much again for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and syempre subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated pag may mga bago akong videos about online job tips and tutorials. Thank you! Bye!